In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail font size. If your emails are hard to read or your replies keep showing up too small or too large, I'll walk you through the exact settings to get things looking right, plus a quick fix for when changes don't seem to stick. First, let's change the default font size on desktop so every new message starts with the size you prefer. Open Gmail in your browser. In the top right, click the Settings gear icon, then choose See All Settings. You'll land on the General tab. Stay there. Scroll until you find Default Text Style. This is where Gmail lets you pick your default font, size, and basic styling. For size, you can choose small, normal, large, or huge. Gmail only supports these preset sizes, so you won't see point sizes like 12 or 14. Pick the size that feels comfortable for everyday writing. Normal is the standard, and large or huge can help if you want extra readability. When you're happy with your choice, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Your new default will apply to new emails and replies you compose on the web. Keep in mind, it doesn't change how you read messages sent by others. It only affects what you write. Next, if you want to adjust font size while composing a specific email, start by clicking Compose. In the draft window, look along the bottom toolbar and click the A icon to open formatting options. Select the text you want to resize. If you haven't typed yet, you can set the size first and then start typing, and choose your preferred font size from the menu. This works per email only, so it won't change your overall default. It's perfect for emphasizing a heading or making a particular paragraph more readable without altering everything you send. If you've tried changing the size and nothing happens, there's a common reason. Open a Compose window, then click the three dots in the lower right corner. Make sure Plain Text mode is turned off. Plain Text disables formatting, including font size, bold, and color, so any changes you try to make won't show. Turn it off, then reapply your font size in the formatting toolbar, and you should see the change immediately. That's it. Set your default for consistency, tweak sizes on the fly when you need to, and double-check plain text mode if formatting isn't responding. With these steps, your Gmail messages should be clear, readable, and exactly the size you want.